Rolling through the city on these Foggiatos, skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
Back passenger again.
No problem. Can you
return? What can we do? What can we do?
Oh man, somebody's a little hot.
We salvage. It's this one right here. I told you earlier looked wet. I get a demo with a van real quick. Yeah, should let that cool down there, bud.
All right.
Oh, yeah, that's one. Damn. Wow. Man, that was one bad-ass demo. Excuse my French. That was mean. That was mean. I wish I had my blower. We can cool them off, man. Dang. That's the first thing I thought about. When I saw it, I just thought about my blower. And I was hoping that I can just, you know, help out. But bass heads, man, it's the name of the game. It's what they make recones for. But they Sundowns, man. It might be good.